Welcome to our channel. If you want to verify your Instacart shopper account, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the verification process and start shopping and delivering groceries. Step 1. Download the Instacart shopper app from the App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Step 2. Open the app and sign in using the credentials you created during the shopper application process. Step 3. You'll see verification prompts indicating what information you need to provide before you can start shopping. Step 4. Navigate to your account profile by tapping on the profile icon or menu button in the app. Step 5. Complete identity verification by providing your full legal name, date of birth, and social security number. Instacart uses this information for background check purposes. Step 6. Upload a clear photo of your government-issued ID, such as a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Ensure all text is legible and the photo is well lit. Step 7. Take a selfie following the app's instructions for facial recognition verification. This helps Instacart confirm you are the person on the ID. Step 8. If you plan to deliver orders, upload your driver's license information, including license number, state of issuance, and expiration date. Photograph both the front and back of your license. Step 9. Provide proof of vehicle insurance showing current coverage with your name on the policy. The insurance must meet Instacart's minimum coverage requirements. Step 10. Upload vehicle registration documents if you're using a car for deliveries. Step 11. Set up your payment information by adding your bank account details for receiving shopper earnings via direct deposit. Step 12. Instacart will conduct a background check, which typically takes 7 to 10 business days. You'll receive notifications in the app and via email about your verification status. Step 13. Once your background check is approved, you may need to complete an onboarding session or watch training videos before you can start accepting shopping batches. Step 14. After full approval, you'll receive a notification that your account is verified and you can begin accepting orders and earning money as an Instacart shopper. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.